So today's collection to try on, it's a few new pieces from spring summer. This skirt comes in black and also this off-white color. Now this one here is actually from, I believe it's pre-fall 2021. Just want to give it a try. And cute little belt that's current season. This dress comes in black and off-white or ecru. And this dress, getting made fun of a little bit for even wanting to try it, but I think it's super cute. I don't know how boxy it will be off the mannequin. It does look pretty boxy, but I guess we will find out. So this is from the 22 spring summer collection. I actually, in video 1 of 3, maybe 4 or 5, we'll see, I tried on the matching skirt to this top. The skirt ran small, maybe my body ran big, I don't know, but the top, this is a 36 and it's running small. So definitely need a 34 in this one. Very, very cute, beyond comfortable. So if you like very soft fabric, this one's definitely a winner. This one's also spring summer. I have to admit, I gave my wonderful associate a lot of shit for even suggesting this one, but it's actually very cute on, and I'm trying to decide about this because the bright gold is definitely not my thing. I don't want to look like a superhero with the puffy sleeves and so on, yet I kind of like it. I like the shape. The lightweight fabric is fantastic. There's actually a little dress, maybe it's a skirt, I think this is a skirt, we'll find out, that goes with it, so I'll give it a try. But I don't know about this one on the fence about for sure. So here's the whole ensemble. I really wish they had not done this with gold trim. I do feel more like a superhero. I don't know why, but it's really cute. I think the design and style fits great. The side pockets are really cool, but the gold, again, just not so sure about it. So here's what the skirt looks like for those of you who might be contemplating it. It looked really cool on the model on the runway, of course, but she's probably 6'3". I'm 5'4". There's a difference between us. Well, many differences, but that's one of them. All right, so we're back to this one. Skirt's definitely a no-go. So question is, this one with jeans, is it cute or a little bit too much? So look forward to all of your comments, what you think about this superhero jacket. I feel like I need to learn to fly and jump off a building and find someone to save, but maybe that's a good thing, right? So on to the next item. So we're back to this sweater again. For those of you that watched my first and second video, because I've been on the fence about this, you have probably seen that it has little boy shorts that are, I don't know, if I were 5 years old I might fit in them, but they were very, very tiny. So I gave up on those, gave up on the cardigan, and I've been on the fence thinking about this one. To be honest, it's actually been my own videos, watching them back. I look at it and I'm like, you know, the color looks amazing. I'm still not a fan of the wings. I don't know what's going on here, but my own video caused me to come, well, when I was here, to go ahead and try it on again. This is a 38, so it's technically should be a size larger than my normal size, but again, it fits well. And the jackets this season, I'm in the same boat, so that's probably me, not the collection. But this is what this sweater looks like from behind, from the side, and from this side. So it's a longer crop. These are not high-waisted jeans. These jeans are probably, I don't know, 8 or 10 years old, so when high waist was not popular. So it's not a high-waisted jean. It's a low, mid, maybe mid-rise. And the crop top is not that cropped, right? Some of them we see come up to here. So it's definitely a nice crop level, I guess you could say. But I do have a shorter torso. So those of you who have a longer torso might find that it's a little bit more cropped. So we'll decide on this one, but I would really like to be able to flatten these guys a little bit if we could. Flatten the wings, if in fact he comes home with me. So I'm definitely going to get this shirt, but I'm going to have the tailor take in the tails. And this is a little stretchy belt. This is an 80, generally sized down in the stretchy, but it looks pretty cute with black jeans, the hot pink on the belt, you can see here maybe, and the little crop top. So I think these are definitely good pieces. So I had tried this black skirt in a 34 a couple of videos ago. This is a 36 in the ecru color. So for me, it still pulls at the waist, even though it's a 36. You can kind of see right here, the waistline. I still think a 38 is gonna fit better. But the 36 is pretty good. If that's all they had, I would probably be able to make this work, but I'm gonna hope and hold out for a 38. So just wanted to show you the difference between the 36 and the 34 from the last video. That was in black. So the black skirt is the same one, just a different color. This is another little belt that came in. This is an 85. It fits exactly as I would expect, as my other 85s of course have, but I've been hit and miss with this collection, so I don't really know what sizing anymore, but it's very cute. It's a little cute detailing you can see here. Try to lift up here so you can see, but it has a little white leather stitching with some gold and some black leather around it. So here you go. So it's a really cute piece.